Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Ashley. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Definitely subscribe if you like my content, and if you're new, welcome guys. Thank you so much for stopping by again. So it's been a long time since I've done one of these videos. It's been way over a year. So today I'm going to do an Ipsy unboxing, or I should say unbagging. I have just like the base bag, the $12 bag. It's a $12 a month bag. So basically, you know, depending on the profile you create, what you like and what you don't like is what they would do to customize your bag each month and ship you out your goodies. So I think it's really nice for, you know, anybody who's younger, who's intrigued by makeup, a sister, a niece, you know, even someone who wants to get into makeup. I think this is perfect to build up your collection, because that way you see what you like and don't like without actually going out and spending the money, if that makes any type of sense. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. So if this is something that interests you, then definitely just keep on watching. So, taking out the bag, this is what it looks like this month. So it's super cute. I was expecting something like glitzy and glam, you know, for like the new year, but it's warm and cozy, so it's really cute. So the first thing you get in your bag, they didn't do this before, but now they started doing it. You do get like a little pamphlet, just like, you know, with boxycharm or whatever, and it just tells you about, you know, the products and how much they cost and all that stuff. And if it's a deluxe sample, if it's full size or whatever it may be, it just tells you all that information here. So the first thing didn't fit in my bag, but it is this powder brush. So this is what it looks like. And this is another reason I love Ipsy, because if you don't know, I freelance. So getting like extra brushes like this always helps out, because I mean, who says they have enough brushes? Like, hello. So this brush right here retails for $15.95, and it says that it's the full size, so that's why they put the price there for you. So I think it's really nice. It says a powder brush. I would definitely use it for like under the eyes, and even for like contouring or something like that. Really nice. And I love the color. It's like that emerald green. So this is a $15 brush, you guys. $15.95, almost $16, and the bag itself costs $12. So you do the math. And I like that it comes with this thing here. So when you wash your brush, you can just, and it just holds the bristles in place. So the next thing I'm pulling out here is this Bye Bye Pores Press. This is the airbrush finish pressed powder. So by It Cosmetics. I love It Cosmetics. Let's open it. Oh, okay. So that's what it looks like. And this is a deluxe sample. So if you wanted to get the large size, it would be $30. So this is a really good like deluxe sample though. Like, it's a decent size. The next thing I have here, this is nice. This is the Wave Plus Curl. So it's a rich defining curl cream to enhance natural textures. So this is a deluxe size sample. If you wanted to get the full size, it would be $24. So I'm excited for this. It has vitamin C in it. I love hair products, so this is really nice. The next thing we have is a Feel Beauty Enzymic Exfoliating Cleanser. So this is a deluxe sample, full size for 4 fluid ounces, $28. So this is a nice size. It's an exfoliator. You know, we always can use some exfoliation on our skin, so this is really nice. See, for $12, not that bad. And then the last thing we have here, this is full size. This is by Laura Makeup Labs. This is a glossing sparkling lip gloss. So this retails for $10, this little guy right here. So I'm excited to try this. So yeah, for $12, I don't think that's bad at all. And like I said, if you guys are interested, I will have the details down below. And that's pretty much it for this unbagging, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!